Alright, what we're going to do today is debunk the so-called overpopulation problem. Now, here's a little focus on that. Little picture here of the Earth. You got North America, South America. You zoom in on the great state of Texas. Now, I'm going to see if I can draw Texas. It looks something like that. That kind of looks, that's close enough. That's Texas for the purposes of presentation. Now, you could fit all 6 and whatever billion people on the planet right now inside Texas. They've done the calculations, it works. And you got cities and towns all over Texas, pack them on in. Okay, it's all, everybody's happy in Texas. And you got the whole United States, around it. Let me zoom in here. There's the Earth.
You're sounding fatigued today.
Anyway, you got the whole friggin' country to play with. Texas is somewhere there. It's supposed to be Florida. Anyway, all this other room right here can be used for growing food and all that stuff. So everybody in the world, if they wanted, could fit in Texas. So that's not a problem. Now, this whole concept of the overpopulation is that there's a liberal psychology going on here that people really don't matter. The Bible says,
it's all in the Bible.
Go forth and multiply and subdue the earth. That's what the Bible says. That's the way it is. But the liberals will tell you that we're subduing it too much, as if the wisdom of the prophets was not a real, had no foresight to it. So, hell, it's a Sunday morning. I'm not thinking too clearly, but let me see if I can put forth what I was going to say. Basically, the earth was put here for mankind to use. That doesn't mean abuse, that just means use. All this, let me get some space here. All this, basically what I'm trying to say is, I don't give a flying fadoodle what happens to other species, because people are it. There is no overpopulation of people. Only mosquitoes, ticks, locusts.
And varmints need exterminating.
I hope I'm making myself clear.
You need some of that Jeff Gordon 24 energy drink.
Oh, there is one area where people can be overpopulated, and that's your Mexicans. Because they're taking our jobs. It's not like there's really too many Mexicans, because they could all fit in. They could fit a little part of Texas up here, just the Mexicanville. But they're taking our jobs, so that's what I would call overpopulation. But other than that, I say f all the other species. They can just, except for the ones I hunt now and then. Quail, ducks. I'm not so big on ducks as I used to be, but everything else can just go F itself. We know who's numero uno. We know what God put all this stuff here, like all these trees. We know what He put them here for. He put them here for us. A little smile there. That's us using God's stuff. The oil, too. The oil wells.
Texas tea.
The gushers. That's all for us, too. So anyway, when you think overpopulation, you think Texas, and you can put all 6 some odd billion people in the world in Texas, and all that other land is free up for other stuff, And some of these liberals tell you that we have water shortages, for instance, like there just ain't enough water to go around. But I'm telling you, you got these big ass oceans out there. And they can desalinize them. It means take the salt out, and I don't know how much energy that takes, but God would not allow there to be a shortage of anything. That's the main point here. And I hope I made myself clear.